What we've managed to do is put sharp bends in a corrugated sheet. The corrugations on one side bend abruptly into corrugations on the next side and produce a join that has no gaps, whether that's for the peak of a roof or the edge of a roof or the wall-to-wall connection in a horizontally clad house, and is a lot cleaner and neater than the existing method, which involves capping pieces and flashings and the like.
The FormFlow bend is a quite simple but very new method to actually bend a corrugated sheet. This is normally not possible because if you think about a corrugated section, if you would that just bend around the corner, you would get wrinkling effects and material splitting.
We've looked widely. We're the only company in the world that has the ability to do this at the moment, and we've protected that.
Yeah, the FormFlow bend is not simply a replacement of capping on future housing structures, but it's actually a structural piece, revolutionizing how we make houses in the future. It also allows us to potentially come up with new ideas on how to prefabricate houses and also how to make them lower cost. The FormFlow bend is airtight, so there are great opportunities for advanced building structures in fire-prone areas.
The process is a world first. No one has successfully achieved this outcome before.
Our model is not to become a volume manufacturer ourselves, but to work closely with existing players in the market who are already manufacturing corrugated sheets.
With bending material, the major deformation is generally in the outside layer. And there's always the danger to damage the outside surface in this way. That's in particular important when you have a coating on the sheet, which generally in the product that we are forming is the case.
We've looked carefully at the bent products under a microscope, and we've conducted accelerated weathering tests, and there is no indication that we've damaged the material in any way.
Our investigations have shown that, with our particular FormFlow bend, we can actually form a whole range of materials, from Colorbond to galvanized material, without damaging the coating or having any other negative effects on the final shape.
The vision for FormFlow is that we will remain a development organisation, and our early discussions are indicating that there's a lot of potential for this product, which should mean significant employment opportunities and economic benefits both in Australia and overseas.
All the partners in the company are placed in different sectors. So I'm part of the FormFlow company, but I'm also situated here at Deakin University, so I can make sure that we do the fundamental research that's required. On the other hand, we have partners at Ostend that includes commercial and also legal, but also great engineers who can push the industrial implementation of the product further. And then we also have great designers and architects who can come up with new ideas on how to implement the product in new sectors.
Some of the comments that have been made by others are indicating that this could really revolutionise the use of corrugated iron. It transforms it from being a very utilitarian product to being something with some style. It has expanded people's minds and opened up possibilities that we hadn't even considered.